Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, you already seen the title. That is going on that. We have a flat tire, already bad. Lost top of the engine.
I'm holding Sammy. I told you to hold him.
Oh, he's exploring. Our two dogs. Hey, Meme. It's just our two dogs. So we're gonna push it. We're gonna push the tractor onto there using this big old track-filled skid loader. It's got about 79 horsepower. Made it up that whole part. So, actually at my great-grandparents' house, but they sold it and now people live here, so I'm not showing the address. I get it. But anyway, hi Jimmy. The steering wheel works, but that's about it. Right, Dad? At least the steering wheel works.
Right.
That's one less thing he's gonna have to fix, right? At least the steering works. Yep. Oh, sorry. Come on through. Yeah. So there's my friend's truck right there. Yeah, that's a pretty loud truck. Alright, some more cars coming through. Gosh, this road's busier than Fountain School Road. This ain't even... Oh, it's an official road. It's got a speed limit. Gosh. Yeah, so... That right there has to go on my friend's trailer over there. Or we have 3 trailers. I don't know why. But my cousin over there told us to bring ours too. So I don't know which one we're putting the tractor on. I'm guessing his. He's coming up. I can hear it. Because he's the one that wanted it for some reason. I mean, we're getting it for free. I wouldn't put a price on it. It's all rusted. Does it even have cylinders in it? I guess those are the cylinders. They're just... Yeah, those are the cylinders. I don't know if they're going to move. Ugh. But, yeah, I'll have to do a video on it. The fan. That ain't doing anything. The steering works. So yeah. At least the steering works. Tires are all busted up. The front ain't that bad. It's an Alice Charmer. Good tractors, right? Alice Charmer makes a good tractor, right?
Yeah.
It's one of these older tractors. Yeah. The tire is all busted up and muddy, deformed. It's got a gauge. I guess this is the gear shift. For all you farm lovers and farmers, this is probably kind of cool, alright? Here's my friend's, here's my cousin's skid loader. It's pretty nice. If I do say myself, it's 2-speed, and it's really cool. I've driven it before. It's really fun. It's got a hitch in the front. No idea what this does. What the heck does this do? I don't know. Anybody know what that does? Leave it down in the comments. So, yeah, that's pretty much all you got for this. I don't know if I even want to call it a tractor. It's pretty much a It's pretty much metal with bolts in it. For now. A little bit of rubber. So, yeah. It's a pretty cool tractor. Once we get fixed up, I'm excited to see what it's like. When it's fixed up, here's my friend coming up. Yeah, pretty loud truck. It's a diesel. But yeah, you guys think it's gonna make it on there? I wonder if it's gonna make it on there.
I'm in the back right under you.
Huh?
It gets kind of sketchy on it.
They want to back up on the wheels? Gosh. So pretty much that is going to push that onto that. Do you get it? Yeah, that. It's going to be a little bit of teamwork. Our trailer doesn't have anything on it, so no idea what it's going to be for. I guess we're going to put some parts on it. Here are 2 doggies. We love our dogs. So yeah, here's our nice truck trailer. What's your favorite part of this whole thing happening, Meme? That's her nickname. No? Dogs are excited. We got new harnesses, right? Right there? What? Who's he?
He's my favorite singer. Except for the
Oh, alright.